subject is basics of electrical and electronics engineering. I'll be engaging the electrical part. I belong to your own department. So let me first congratulate you for having chosen electrical branch, okay? Because this is one of the best branches that you can ever imagine to be in. Because right from your birth, if it is an incubator, up to the moment you die, when you land up in your, sorry to say that, but land up in your mobile mortuary, the one thing that always remains with you is electrical signals. Even when you are alive, you have all these electrical signals within the body. And even when I am talking, when I am changing my muscles in the mouth, everything, anything and everything is electricity. Okay, so don't worry if someone tells you that electrical is very difficult. It's not. It's really interesting. It's a very inspiring kind of branch. Most of you may be believing in God. Most of you. Some of you may be atheists, may not believe in God. Anyway, has anyone seen God? No one. None of us have seen God, but yet we believe in God because we see certain things that makes us believe that there is a higher power. Just like that, electricity, you cannot see electrons or you cannot see electrons flowing. But we know when the fan starts rotating, when you see a light lighting up, when you see something, a machine running, there is electricity. So I somehow feel that electricity is as divine as God. And if you think about something more, like in your daily life, you're always using words which are related to electricity, knowingly or unknowingly. Every human being, like, I got a shock of my life. Sometimes we say, when I see that beautiful girl, when I see that handsome man, a vibration, electric vibration went through my body. Or when I see Aishwarya Roy, or when someone sees a hero, when someone sees Sachin Tendulkar, or when you see a racing car, you say that lightning went through your body. Why do you say that? Because electricity is part and parcel of your life in one way or another. Even if you're not learning in an electrical branch, you tend to use electricity, which means electricity is the mother of all branches, all electrical branches. Wherever you want anything to be done, you need electricity. I know when you go through the syllabus, which I have already managed to get, in the first module, you have all kinds of electric circuits coming in. The basic terminology, current, voltage, etc. In the second module, you have magnetic circuits, electromagnetic induction, and all those things. And the third module, you have AC circuits coming. So you have a DC module, then you have electromagnetism, then it comes a DC AC circuits. If I am 100% sure that every word mentioned in this syllabus you have come across in your +1, +2 classes. And if you at any point in time, if you want to correct me, or if you want to make any clarifications, or if you want any clarifications from my side also, you can freely do that. Okay. Now, as you all know, electricity is just the flow of electrons. But which electrons? The valence electrons. Just like everything you can connect to life. Like I always have felt when I learn electricity, I always felt electrons are like small kids. Small kids running around the parents, mother and father, the nucleus, the electrons running around. When you leave them to an LKG, first standard, or play school, they always want to come back. All these electrons want to come back to your parent. They always cry. They don't want to go to the school. But once they go to the valence electrons, once they grow up and go to, like, who are staying in the hostel, they no longer are within the reach of the parents. Okay. They take their own decisions on daily basis or minute basis. And what they do, they are like valence electrons. If they are guided in the right way, they form a good current. If the voltage is correctly given. If not, there will be disruption. This is all that electricity does. So when it travels in one direction, you call it as a single direction, you call it as a DC. When it is bidirectional, you call it as AC. That's all.